Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Fontana hybrid oven. They now ship in a cardboard box surrounded by wood. The tools necessary will be a Wonder Bar, a hammer, and a box cutter. Remove the wood from the outside of the pallet all the way around, and then you can simply fold it off. Then we move on to the box. There's a sticker with all the components listed. You use your box cutter to cut from the inside out, fold down the sides, and then you have an exposed oven. You then remove the plastic, and then there's a box inside of the unit holding all of your loose components, including your hose, regulator, conversion kit, etc. I lifted up the front of the oven and set something underneath it. We had some pieces of wood so that we could easily attach the feet. You'll do this at the front and the rear. If you're using your cart, you can skip this step. You then remove the laser film. The laser film has an adhesive, and sometimes that adhesive stays on the stainless. And I like using that adhesive, the laser film, to remove that excess. Make sure all your components are in place, including your shield, and then we move on to the chimney. Coming at an angle, press it down snugly so that the collar fits on top of the oven, and then your chimney cap goes over the chimney. Slides in place. Once that's there, you're ready to go. Light up your oven for the first time, make sure it gets nice and hot quickly, and you're ready to rock.